Hello, it's Nancy today. It's the third one. I've been kayaking along the shore, and now I got to here, and I hear a waterfall back in there. Let me see if I can get back in there and see what it is. I can hear something. There's a waterfall back in there. I can hear it back there. Now when I was around that way, there was an area that went behind. This looks like an island. And back there it was stagnant water though. So if there's a waterfall coming out, it's not coming out that way because that water's not moving. So it must be able to come around this way. Can you hear it? Okay, let me go and see what I can do if we go this way. It's kind of hard to put my camera somewhere. Those blue dragonflies. Beautiful. I don't hear it anymore. Okay, well I'll have to go back and have a look.